friends, welcome back to Roast and Relish. Today I am going to prepare spinach curry in South Indian style. Let's see how to do this. For this I have taken spinach. There are so many types of spinach, so I have taken the small leaves. You can say a sirikirai in Tamil. And I have taken 1 onion chopped nicely and 2 tomatoes chopped nicely and 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 4 green chilies and little amount of tamarind. For this I have taken tur dal. I have taken half a cup of tur dal and soaked it nicely after washing it. And for seasoning I have taken refined oil, 2 tablespoons of refined oil, and then turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. I have taken for seasoning, instead of mustard I have taken vadagam as we say in Tamil. You can also use mustard seeds and curry leaves. So this you can get in market. Its name is vadagam. Now let us start doing this spinach curry. Now take a cooker and add the soaked tur dal into it. Along with this we are going to add all the ingredients: onion, tomato, green chilies, garlic and tamarind. Add everything and we need to add 2 cups of water into it. Along with this I am adding the turmeric powder and asafoetida and 1 teaspoon of refined oil for cooking the dal nicely. Now I have chopped the spinach roughly and now I am going to add the spinach into the cooker. So let's add the spinach and then cook it nicely along with the tur dal. Now let us close this cooker and cook it for 4 whistles. You can leave for 3 whistles in medium flame and 1 whistle in low flame. After 4 whistles, you can open the cooker. You can see the spinach and tur dal has nicely cooked well. We need to mash this nicely with a wooden masher. So using this I am going to mash it well. Strain the excess water and then you can mash it. After that we are going to do the seasoning. Now I have mashed the dal and spinach nicely with a wooden masher. So I have used a earthen pot for this. So it is very good for us to use a earthen pot. So I have mashed it in this only, and now I am going to do the seasoning. Before that we will add this required salt. So I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it thoroughly and now we will do the seasoning. Now take a small pan, add oil into it, 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat it up. Now the oil is hot. Let us add the vadagam into it. I am adding the vadagam. If you don't have vadagam, you can use mustard seeds and then you can add some curry leaves also. So I am adding little bit of curry leaves. Let it splutter and then we can add the curry leaves. Now it has spluttered nicely. Now add the curry leaves. And now we can add this into the spinach curry. Add it into the spinach curry. Nicely mix it. We will get nice fragrance when we add this vadagam into this curry. So it gives a nice aroma. Now our tasty, delicious spinach curry is ready for serving. Now our spinach curry is ready. You can have this with white rice or you can have this with the idli dosa also. It will be very delicious. So it is very healthy also. Try this yummy recipe. See you in the next video. Bye friends.